Não encontrei ninguém que tenha a beleza dela. Sou do morro, sou favela, mas meu coração se apaixonou por essa Cinderela. Ela é da zona sul, loirinha de olho azul, e o impasse é upa.
Hello, I will be presenting the introduction of analysis of RLS BELACAN Perlis, a well-established family business located in Kuala Perlis. Operation management focuses on planning, organizing, and controlling resources such as material, labors, and facilities to maximize productivity while minimizing costs. This is especially important for traditional foods businesses that must balance efficiency with product quality. RLS BELACAN Perlis is a multi-generation enterprise that has preserved traditional belacan making methods for many years. The company is recognized for maintaining authentic taste and high-quality products while serving a growing customer base. This analysis examines several operational factors, including capacity limitation, workflow design, facility layout, and quality control practices. By evaluating these areas, we aim to identify opportunities for operational improvement that can help the company increase efficiency, maintain product quality, and support future business growth while preserving its traditional heritage. Next, we look at profile and operation strategy of RLS BELACAN Perlis. The company is currently owned and managed by Puan Rohani binti Lebai and continues to operate as a family-owned business. Its products are made using simple and natural ingredients, mainly semi-processed asset shrimp, also known as udang gerakau and salt. This commitment to traditional ingredients have preserved the authentic taste of its belacan. In terms of market distribution, the company supplies products to regional markets, retail stores, online customer and business partners, including a dedicated B2B customer in Kuantan. To ensure quality and customer confidence, the company follows strict standard operating procedure and maintains halal certification. The main operational objective is to deliver safe, fresh, and consistent products through a strong hygiene practices. Looking ahead, the company plans to adopt modern food technologies and improve packaging to increase production capacity. Its operational strategy is based on differentiation by emphasizing hygiene, quality assurance, and effective distribution channels. RLS BELACAN Perlis builds customer trust and strengthens its competitive position in the market.
Good day everyone, my name is Kaliavasi. Today I will present 3.0 product analysis. RLS BELACAN Perlis produce traditional belacan, which is a fermented shrimp paste commonly used in Malaysia cuisine. The product is made using only two ingredients, which is udang gerakau and salt, which helps preserve its authentic taste and it's suitable for both household consumers and business customers. The company offers two product variations. The first is circle belacan, weight is 180 grams and sold at Rm 3 ringgit 50 cent, mainly for wet market and business customers. The second is square belacan, weight for 90 gram and price at Rm 2 ringgit 50 cent. This version is packed in boxes and it's mainly sold through online platform and cash on delivery services.
Next, I will explain the process design and capacity analysis of RLS BELACAN Perlis. This section focuses on how the company transforms the raw materials into finished belacan products and how much production the company is capable of handling within a specific period. By analyzing the production process and capacity, we can better understand the efficiency of the company's operation and identify areas for improvement. Based on our interview with the owner, production process of RLS BELACAN Perlis consists of 9 main stages. First, the company receives semi-processed udang gerakau from a nearby supplier. The raw materials are inspected before production begins to ensure quality and freshness. Second, the shrimp mixture is crushed and sprayed evenly using a machine to achieve a consistent texture. Third, the mixture is dried under direct sunlight for approximately 30 minutes. This stage is important to reduce moisture content before further processing. Fourth, the mixture is kneaded and mixed thoroughly. Water is added when necessary to achieve the desired consistency. Fifth, the belacan is shaped manually according to the required weight and size specification. Sixth, the shaped belacans undergoes a second drying process to improve durability and shelf life. Seventh, the finished product is packaged either in circular or square packaging depending on customer requirements. Eighth, label containing product information and expiring dates attached to the packaging. Finally, the finished product are distributed to retailers, markets, business customers, and online buyers. RLS belacan perlis adopt a batch production process. This means that products are produced in groups or batches rather than through continuous mass production. This process is suitable because the company produces belacan according to customer demand and market requirement. Batch production is also allows the company to maintain product quality and offer different packaging sizes. However, one limitation of this process is that production may be delayed if weather conditions are not favorable, especially during the drying stages. Production capacity refers to the maximum amount of output that can be produced using available resources. According to the owner, RLS belacan perlis is capable of producing approximately 80 to 100 kilograms of belacan per production cycle. The company also produces around 1,000 to 1,500 circular belacan bags every month. Each production cycle takes approximately 2 days to complete because the product must be dried properly before moving to the next stage. Although the company is currently able to meet customer demand, its production capacity remains limited because most operations are carried out by family members and only one worker is employed. Despite operating successfully, RLS belacan perlis faces several capacity constraints. The main challenge is weather dependency, since the drying process relies on natural sunlight. Rainy weather can delay production and reduce output. Another challenge is the manual molding process. The owner still shapes the belacan by hand, which requires more time and limits production speed. In addition, the company has a small workforce, with only one employee assisting in production activities. This may restrict the company's ability to increase output when demand becomes higher. Nevertheless, the company manages these challenges by maintaining backup stocks of raw materials and ensuring the production activities follow proper cleanliness and operating procedures. Next, I will explain the process design and capacity analysis of RLS belacan perlis. This section focuses on how the company transforms the raw materials into finished belacan products and how much production the company is capable of handling within a specific period. By analyzing the production process and capacity, we can better understand the efficiency of the company's operation and identify areas for improvement. Based on our interview with the owner, production process of RLS belacan perlis consists of 9 main stages. First, the company receives semi-processed udang geragau from a nearby supplier. The raw materials are inspected before production begins to ensure quality and freshness. Second, the shrimp mixture is crushed and sprayed evenly using a machine to achieve a consistent texture. Third, the mixture is dried under direct sunlight for up
one of the most important aspects of RLS belacan perlis because it helps ensure product quality, food safety and customer satisfaction. The company follows standard operating procedure, maintain a cleaning schedule and has obtained halal certification to ensure hygiene standards are consistently met. In addition, RLS belacan applies several total quality management principles, These include customer focus by producing clean and high quality belacan, employee involvement through family teamwork, process management through a structured production process, and continuous improvement by planning to improve packaging and invest in new machinery. Overall, these practices have helped the company maintain customer trust and secure repeat orders. However, there are still room for improvement, particularly in reducing dependence on manual shaping and weather-dependent drying process. Moving to location analysis. Kuala Perlis is a strategic location for RLS Belacan because it is close to supplier of udang geragau, which is reduce transportation costs and ensure a steady supply of raw materials. The area also provides suitable weather and open space for the drying process, which is essential in belacan production. In addition, the location also offers easy access to customer and local markets. Despite this advantage, the company also faced some challenge, such as dependence on a weather condition, increasing in raw material costs, and limited space for future
Firstly,
expansion.
for Section 7.1, RLS Belacan Perlis has divided its production facility into a several functional areas, including a raw material storage room, shrimp crunchy machine area, processing and packaging table, sink and shoes rack area, cold storage area, finished product storage area, as well as the main entrance and ventilation system. Each workstation is strategically positioned to support a smooth production activity. For example, the raw material storage room is located near the shrimp crunchy machine to reduce unnecessary handling and movement of materials. In addition, the processing and packaging table is placed at the center of the production floor, allowing workers to move easily between different sections while enabling the owner to monitor production activity more effectively. Overall, the arrangement helped create a more organized and efficient production environment. Moving on to Section 7.2, RLS Belacan adopt a process layout where workstations are arranged according to their specific function rather than being organized in continuous assembly line. For the example, separate sections are provided for storage crunchy, cleaning, packaging, and finished goods storage. This type of layout is suitable because the company practices batch production where belacan is produced in a group based on the customer demand. In addition, several production activities such as shaping, molding, and packaging are still carried out manually. Therefore, the process layout provides a greater flexibility, support a manual operation, and allow the company to maintain a traditional production method while operating efficiently. Lastly, for Section 7.3, the process layout had improved a workflow efficiency by reducing necessary movement between workstations. Raw material flows systematically from storage to crunchy, processing, packaging, and finally to finished product storage. The arrangement also supports a faster production activity, easy monitoring, and better hygiene practice. Separate storage area together with the sink, shoes rack, ventilation system, and refrigerator facility help minimize the contamination risk and maintain a product quality. Overall, the layout effectively support operational speed, food safety, and constant product quality. Firstly, for Section 8.1, RLS Belacan Perlis has relatively simpler but effective supply chain flow. The process starting with opting a semi-processed exchange shrimp or udang geragau from nearby local supply in Kuala Perlis. The raw material are then processed through a several stage including a crunchy, drying, shaping, packaging, and labeling before becoming a finished belacan product. Once production is complete, the products are distributed through a various channels such as a local market, online platform, direct customer order, and business customer. Therefore, the company operates an integrated supply chain involving the business-to-business, B2B, and the business-to-consumer, which is a B2C activity. Moving on to the Section 8.2, the trail supplier of RLS Belacan Perlis is a local supplier who provide a semi-processed udang geragau, which is the main raw material used in productions. Since the supplier located close to the production facility, the company benefit from the lower transportation cost, shorter lead time, and more reliable delivery. The supplier usually deliver the raw material using a motorcycle, and the owner can also collect them personally when necessary. Overall, the supplier performed well in terms of location, delivery reliability, and supplier relationship. However, there are still moderate risks due to rising shrimp price, and the company depends on the single supplier, which may potentially disrupt a supplier continuals in the future. Lastly, for Section 8.3, RLS Belacan Perlis use a several distribution and delivery method to serve its customer. Motorcycles are mainly used for nearby delivery because they are flexible and cost effective, while a private car are suitable for a large order and long distance delivery. In addition, the company offers a COD service and online sale to expand its market reach and maintain a direct relationship with customer. Family member also assigned in distribution activity, which is help to reduce a labor cost and improve operational flexibility. However, as a demand increases, the current delivery system may face a challenge due to a limited transportation capacity and its reliance on a family member for logistic activity. Overall, the supply chains of RLS Belacan Perlis is relatively simple but effective, enabling the company to maintain low operational costs, ensure a stable supply of raw material, and distribute product effectively to both business and individual customer.
Hi, my name is Joanna, anak perempuan and Francis. Next, I will present the part of operational weakness of RLS Belacan. The first weakness is the weather-dependent drying process. Since the belacan is dried under the sun, rainy weather can delay production and reduce output. The second weakness is manual molding process. The shaping of belacan is still done by hand, which is time-consuming and slow down the production. The third weakness is limited workforce, as we know that the company has only one worker and dependent heavily on the family members to support the production. The last weakness is limited online presence. Although the company has TikTok account, it still relies mainly on local markets, retailer and direct orders. This limits its ability to reach customer outside Perlis. So now, to overcome all these weaknesses, there are several improvements as recommended. The first one is the company should install a covered drying system to reduce the impact of rainy weather on production. Second is the company should invest in automatic molding machine to increase production speed and efficiency. Third is hiring additional workers, which can help them reduce workload and improve the productivity in the company. Finally, is the company should strengthen its digital marketing and online sales by expanding promotion by TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Shopee. So now we in the conclusion part. In conclusion, RLS Belacan Perlis is a successful family-owned business that has continued its traditional belacan production for generations. The company maintains product quality through proper hygiene practices, a suitable production process, and strong family involvement. Although several operational weaknesses were identified, practical recommendations have been proposed to improve efficiency and support future growth. Overall, RLS Belacan Perlis is a strong potential to expand its market reach while preserving the traditional values and reputation that have contributed to its success. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.